Suppose that f and g are defined for all real numbers x as follows. So we have f of x is equal to x minus 6, and g of x is equal to 2x plus 6. And we're asked here to write expressions for f minus g of x, for f times g of x, and for f plus g of 3. So here we go. We'll say part 1. We want to write an expression for f minus g of x. So the first thing that we're going to do here is apply the subtraction definition. So we can rewrite this as f of x minus g of x. Beautiful! So now that we've separated this subtraction operation, we can plug in our given functions. So substituting in f of x, this becomes x minus 6. Now because we are subtracting the entire g of x function, we're going to use parentheses for our safety. So we have minus 2x plus 6. So to simplify this expression, we want to take this negative and distribute it through to each term in g of x. So this leaves us with x minus 6 minus 2x minus 6. And we can now combine up our like terms. We have an x minus 2x, which leaves us with a minus x. And then we also have two constants. We have a minus 6 minus 6, which leaves us with minus 12. And this is our beautiful final answer for f minus g of x. Now, moving on to part 2, here we are asked to find the product, f times g of x. So just like in part 1, the first thing that we want to do is apply the definition and rewrite this as f of x multiplied by g of x. And substituting these two functions in, again using parentheses for our safety, we have f of x, which is equal to x minus 6, and this is multiplied by g of x, which is 2x plus 6. And so now to simplify this algebraic expression, we're going to go ahead and FOIL this out, or find this binomial product. So we have x multiplied by 2x, which gives us 2x squared. We have x multiplied by 6, so that's plus 6x. Then we have a minus 6 times 2x for a minus 12x. And last but not least, we have negative 6 multiplied by positive 6, which gives us a minus 36. So notice our two intermediate terms here are like terms, this plus 6x and minus 12x. So combining those and simplifying this, we are left with the expression 2x squared minus 6x minus 36. And so this is our beautiful final answer here for the product, f times g of x. And last but not least, part 3. In part 3, we are being asked to find f plus g of 3. So this time, instead of finding an algebraic expression, we're going to be finding a numerical expression. So again, applying that definition, we can rewrite this as f of 3 plus g of 3. So let's step to the side real quick and do this function evaluation out. So the first thing that we want to do is evaluate the function f when x is equal to 3. So this will become 3 minus 6, which leaves us with a negative 3. And we also want to do the same thing for g of x when x is equal to 3. So this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 6. So we have 6 plus 6, which leaves us with 12. Lovely. So we can now take these and plug them into this algebraic operation with functions. So we can say that therefore f of 3 plus g of 3 is going to be equal to negative 3 plus 12, which leaves us with a beautiful final answer of 9.